Welcome. In front of me is a Motorola G50, and today I will show you how to enable and set up the Do Not Disturb mode. And to get started, all you need to do is pull down your notification panel and look for the toggle, which for me is right over here. So once you find it, you can tap on it to enable it with whatever the default parameters of it are, or you can also hold it, and this will quickly take you to the settings where you will be able to customize how it functions. So go through all of these settings, change them to your liking, and from there you can leave this, and then once you want to enable your Do Not Disturb mode, simply tap on it, and there you go, we are now in Do Not Disturb mode. And once you're done with it, you can tap on the toggle once again to turn it off. So if you found this very helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.